Y'all, I thought that was gonna be the end. I thought I wasn't gonna make it. I thought that was how I was gonna get taken out. It was so at Sauve. If you're watching this video, your lotion almost killed me. Okay. I don't know what y'all got going on in y'all natural stuff, but that stuff was not natural. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just finished doing an influencer review and that gave me the idea to give you this story time about how I almost died. Okay, like I thought I was gonna die. Like I thought I was gonna be an enemy. I thought I was it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe, and if you're not new today, we're coming back. Okay, so let's get started with this hectic story time. Okay, but let me give me a drink real quick. You know what, I'm gonna just keep my drink right here. Okay, so if you don't know what influencer is, it's this website where they send you free products. Like you can review makeup. Like if you just bought some Too Faced makeup, you can go in there and then write a review about how you like it and stuff, and other people can see it. It's like an Instagram makeup health social media. Okay, and then every once in a while they'll send you free products. Like, oh, I look naked. Oh my god. Every once in a while they'll send you free products like free lotions, free hair care stuff, perfumes, makeup, everything. Okay, like you'll get all of that. Okay, so in December it was a Sauve box. Okay, if you don't know what Sauve is, it's like a hair, they have hair products, body care products, lotion, skincare, all that stuff. Okay, so what came in the box was, I might put a picture over here because I literally don't have the box. I gave it to my mom because my mom said she'll take it. Okay, so it came with this lotion. The lotion had almond and cocoa butter, or shea butter, I believe. It had almond and shea butter, and then it came with a body wash, and it came with a loofah. And if you don't know what a loofah is, it's like one of those little puppy things you shower with to wash your body. Okay, so I was like, wow, this lotion is really bomb. Like, it was a big old bottle of lotion that they gave you for free. Like, the box was heavy AF. Okay, so I put the lotion on, and then right when I put the lotion on, I was like, it smelled really good. Okay, then, and I put it on, and I'm like smelling real good, real nice, real fresh, and then nothing happened to my body. Okay, so nothing is happening. I put the lotion on, I'm perfectly fine. And later on that day, I think it was around nighttime, I start itching. And when I start itching, when I tell you I started itching, like I was literally itching all over my body, like all over my arms, all over my legs, all over my face, all over my feet, like everywhere. Like literally my whole body was itching. Okay, so I was like, what is going on? Like, did I get bit by some mosquitoes? Like, did I get into some poison ivy or something? So I go in the bathroom, and y'all, I go in the bathroom, I take my clothes off, and y'all, when I tell you my body was red, my body was red. Okay, like I had these big old webs on my body, like these huge webs. They were red. It was like little patches of red bumps all over my body, and then like it'll be like patches of red bumps on my arm, like on my inner thighs, like patches of red bumps on my legs, patches of red bump. Okay, but I had patches of red bumps all over my body, and I was like, oh my god. So my mom gave me some cream. I forget what kind of, I think it was cortisone cream for itching, and I put some down my body, and it literally didn't help. All night I was tossing and turning, okay, like all night. Okay, I wake up the next morning and it's literally gone. It's gone. Like, I don't know what the heck happened. It's gone. And I was like happy it was gone because I had to go to work, and I was working at Amazon at the time. I had to go to work, and I was like, oh my god, I don't want to take off because Amazon was paying good. Okay, $12 an hour, $12.50 an hour. Like, I wasn't gonna miss out on that. Okay. corporate, they was paying good. So I was like, thank God. So I like got up early, put my makeup on. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So I get back home from Amazon. No, I didn't get back home. It was Saturday, I believe, and we went to Wingstop, and then we went to like some estate sales because my parents like going to estate sales. We have another house in Georgia, so we live in Florida now, but we have another house in Georgia, so we like go to estate sales and get furniture and put it in our other house. I was in the car because I didn't really feel like going in there because I didn't feel good. It was something wrong with my body, and then all of a sudden I started itching again. Like I just started breaking out in bumps again. Like I started itching. I was like, oh Lord, please tell me I'm not going to break out again. I do remember that night before I went to bed, I did put some more of the lotion on because I didn't think it was the lotion that was doing that to me, okay? And so I started itching again, and y'all, it was worse. The bumps were bigger. My body was redder. I was itching badder. Okay. I was like, I was sad because like, I was like, oh my God, what if there's something serious? What if I got some chemicals or something in my bloodstream and I'm like breaking out from it? And what if I die? Like, what if I die? So I was itching real bad. Wait, was it Friday or Saturday? No, it was Thursday because my dad was in Texas. I think my dad was in Texas. And I had called my dad and told him I was breaking out. And then I think he came home the next day. And it was Friday. We had went to the estate sale because some of the estate sales open on Friday. I started itching when I was in the car. Like literally I did not itch not one time at work. But when I got off of work, it just came back. It was so weird. It was like God was saying, Brianna, I'm not gonna let you itch at work because that would be very like annoying. So I'm gonna just let you itch after work, which is good because I wouldn't want to be itching at work because that would be terrible. Okay. I start itching. I get home. I, examine myself and I see all these bumps on my body and it's like bad. Like literally on my inner thigh, it was like a whole bunch. I have a picture of it. I'm gonna put a picture right here. I didn't think I got Wingstop. No, I didn't get Wingstop today. It was the next day. And when I got Wingstop the next day, I'll just tell you that. Okay, so these are how the bumps looked. Okay, I have a picture on my phone. I showed the doctor because I had to go to the doctor. Okay, so that night I went to the doctor, and then he was a cool doctor. He was a cool doctor. He prescribed me some he didn't prescribe me none, but he literally told me what it was. He told me that it was probably a chemical in the swab that broke me out. Okay, yeah, I had to get a shot. Okay, I had to get a steroid shot in my ass. Okay, I had to get a steroid shot in my booty, in my buttocks, in my booty cheek. And y'all, when I tell you that was the worst shot I ever got, I had a lady nurse do it, and I had to like, bend over the table, and she had to shoot me in my butt, and then she told me it was going to sting, and then she was like, do you feel the stinging yet? And I was like, no, I don't feel no stinging. Y'all, when I left the doctor's office, I thought my butt was going to burn off. Like, I thought it was going to fall off. Like, I was stinging. I was crying. Like, that junk hurt so bad. It was a steroid shot. It hurt so bad. I had to get a shot from this lotion that broke me out. Okay? Like, it was that bad. I had to get a shot. And then, guess what? Guess what, y'all? The shot, like, it didn't even work that fast. It didn't even work. Well, it did kind of work. But like literally the next day after I got the shot, I was still breaking out in hives. Like still breaking out. That whole day I was itching. Like I just kept scratching. And the hives were getting worse. They were starting to come on my face. Like I literally had webs all around my mouth, on my cheeks. Like I had webs on my mouth, on my neck, right here, right here. Like they were everywhere, y'all. They were starting to come on my face. I think they were coming on my face when I went to the doctor because I had showed the doctor and he looked at my face and he was like, yeah, I can totally tell you got webs. You got something going on, okay? Because they all over your face. Like it just looked so terrible. Like, y'all, I thought that was gonna be the end. I thought I wasn't gonna make it. I thought that was how I was gonna get taken out. It was so bad. But I think after that day I got the shots, like that day, it went away. Like, and I never used that lotion again. I'm afraid to touch the bottle. Like, that was the worst thing that ever happened to me. Like, well, not the worst, but you know, when you get sick, that's the worst thing that ever happened to you, okay? It was so bad. So bad. So I'm never using that lotion again. I gave it to my mom. My mom put it on her body and nothing happened to her. So I don't know what it is, but I never had, I think it was allergic reaction. But from far as I know, I'm not allergic to anything. So yeah, that was the time. Sauve almost killed me. So at Sauve, if you're watching this video, your lotion almost killed me, okay? I don't know what y'all got going on in y'all natural stuff, but that stuff was not natural, okay? It was breaking me out. What natural stuff break you out? What natural stuff break you out? Okay? If it's natural, it's supposed to be good, right? So I don't know what's going on. But yeah, that was a story time about how Sauve almost killed me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna move over here so you can follow me on my social medias, and right about now you can click the subscribe button and the video that I posted previously, which is the influencer review. And y'all, let me tell you something. I wrote bad to the company, because you have to review it, and I didn't review it because it broke me out. So like, I wrote like a whole bad note. I was cussing and everything. Like, that junk broke. I could have died probably. It could have got my bloodstream, y'all. Like, it was that serious. Like, oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna move over here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna put my subscribe button and my previous video right here. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm uploading every day. I'm trying to, and I'm doing a good job so far. So I'll see you tomorrow, okay?